What's up, guys? This is the EMS Smartcell system test 2. So there has been an update which that I have but it has been moved. So I don't have a cameraman today because the cameraman is sleepy, so the dual detector used to be there but moved to there, so I thought moving it there would look more appropriate because the fire is that side and the detector is that side, so I moved it there. Well, I didn't do it. I had an electrician that did it. And then so for this dual detector with a sounder and beacon, so in the system test the first one, so I forgot to save the zone. All I said is smoke only and the dual detector with a sounder beacon, so I'll save the zone now, so that's zone 10. So that's it. Now to start the test. So we're gonna test this culprit, but it won't set those fire sounders beacons off because that's not an information sounder. We need an information sounder because that's the only sounder that will set off. Now to put the system in test mode. Right, so and before we start the test, I changed the tone to continuous, so it's continuous, so it sounds like this. Yes, it comes from the panel speaker. It doesn't come from the sounders. So yeah, and then the next one, the alternating tone. Next week we're gonna do the alternating tone, which sounds like this, the Hachiki tone. So yeah. So it will set the sounders off because we don't have an information sounder. So we're gonna have to press it after we do this one. So yeah. So we don't have an information sounder. So excuse that noise, that's just in the kettle.
I'm not talking about that noise.
So then it's continuous. So then we'll run upstairs again. 3, 2, 1. Alright then. So I don't have the cameraman because to record me sign the logbook. So I guess I'm gonna have to do it and record it at the same time. Wait, hold on, I'll just get the pencil. So today is the 16th. Hold on, that's not correct.
എത്ര കറക്റ്റ് സമയം ഉറങ്ങിപ്പോയി ചുണ്ടാരായില്ലേ